With this video, I want to teach you one scalp strategy on 1 minute time frame with which change of character and liquidity hunting. Stay with us until the end of video for learning all thing about this strategy, stop loss and open point and target, guys. Let's start tutorial. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. At this video, I want to teach you one pattern with change of character for passive scalping on Dow Jones and gold, guys. Let's start tutorial. Guys, for this strategy, we want to have resistance or support zone, guys. After that, we want to say one pattern one trend come to resistance or support zone, like here, guys. After that, we want to see one wedge pattern, guys, like for the support zone, like this. And for the resistance zone, like this, guys. It's so important for this pattern. We want to see one wedge on support or resistance zone. We don't need to see any channel, uptrend or downtrend channel, guys. We want to see a wedge, guys. After that, we can stay for 3 patterns on this wedge, like this: 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. If the third touch move higher than resistance or lower than the support zone, it's better for this strategy. After the third touch, we want to stay for this break, guys. After the break, this wedge or trend line, we want to stay for change of character. That means we want to stay for price breaking the last or previous high, guys. And for the uptrend, we want to stay for this break and change of character with the previous low was broken. After that, we can open long position and short position, guys. Like here, we can open long position here and put our stop on the zone and put an open short position here and put our stop and here, guys. Here you can see we have support zone here. Price make a spike leg. After that, we can see we have wedge pattern, guys. 1, 2, 3. After that, after the third touch, we want to stay price came back and broke this trend line, guys. After that, you can see price break the previous high, guys, and make change of character. We can open long position and put our stop behind this zone, guys. Let's see another example together. Here you can see we have break even as a support zone, guys. Price make one sharp or spike leg. After that, we can mark here one wedge, guys. Price came and make third leg. After that, we can see price break this trend line, and after the change of character, we can open long position, guys, and put our stop behind this zone. You can see this strategy make high reward and high win rate. Goodbye, have a good time.